Well, hi everybody, it's Ray and welcome to another how-to video. Today we're going to take a look at two brand new multi-page templates that I'm pretty pumped about actually, and we're already getting some impressive Jigglar agent feedback on both of these. So we've got the moving checklist and the packing checklist. Now, a few agents have asked us, a few of our nearest and dearest have said, why are you splitting these up? Well, they are two completely different things when you look at it. Thing one. Thing two is it's a great, like a second opportunity. If they were one document and you wanted to send them out to somebody, you're just sending them one document. It's a lot to process. So broken down into two documents, it's another opportunity for you to reach out and connect to people. And the opportunities here to send them out spectacular. I mean, why not even just send out an email? You could do it today, saying all you need to do is take a screenshot of this one, for example, just like that, and you could send that out to your database and say, hey, if you know anybody who's moving, let me know. I'll send you our checklist, and it's all customized to you. By the way, quickly customize by I'm using Harcourts as an example here, but I can do that. Now, if you're customizing, you'll notice here that you need to customize each page. But once you've got it saved, then you're in business. You don't need to keep changing things. So you can see there how I can quickly switch it up and change it to any kind of specific color set that I want, depending on your settings in your account, in your agency settings. So that's a quick summary. Now you're going to find this one, just in case you're wondering, and you probably are, you'll find the moving checklist under Get Listings, okay? You'll find that there in the Get Listings category, which is right there like that. And as you can see, we're starting to offer some tabs underneath those. We'll be building those out in the next little bit, but they're already there. So you'll find that under Get Listings. The packing one, you'll find that under Stationery, right? So if you're back in your in your general area, in your dashboard, Stationery is down here, and you'll see that one come up in there. In fact, they're both in there. However, check this out. This is a brand new feature. You can now search for any template you want via size. Okay, so let me do an A5 portrait. All the A5 portrait ones are going to come up. So that's a really useful tool. Second thing is, let's say I want to search for packing checklist. Can't spell packing. So I just click, I type in packing, and no, I need to be back in my general category here, sorry. So I type in here packing checklist, and I type enter, and there it is. If I wanted to do moving, I can type that up, and there it is. So it's that easy. So you'll see as each one you can go through and customize, you'll notice that they are offering different things. Let me just go back and show you that packing one again. So the content actually is quite different to between packing and moving. So the moving one, just while that's loading, the moving one here it's a countdown from 8 weeks before you move, right? Really practical, completely set out, very logical. It's been completely, I think, really well thought out. And I think it's a methodical approach to actually moving. Naturally, if there's some terminology in here that you need to change, everything's obviously editable, as it is with everything in Jigglar. Really easy to do. So you can jump in and edit anything you want. So that's the moving checklist. The packing checklist, we get into the specifics here. I need to save my jiggle. Yes, Ray. Save packing checklist. There it goes. Saving that one. So you'll see here that you can get into the actual specifics around packing. So there's page 1. Here's getting set up with what you need. Page 2, etc. Same thing. So it's very, very comprehensive. So you've got so many uses and so many opportunities with this. If somebody's once you've sold a property, you can send them the moving. Say if you sold a property and it doesn't close or settle for a couple of months, you can send the moving checklist out say a week after the deal's actually done to help them get ready. So 3 or 4 weeks after that, you could send out the packing checklist. And they don't need to be doing anything. So say if you've got a buyer on your database and you know they've bought, why not send this out and they didn't buy through you? Why not send this out and reach out to them and help them out and show them how competent and capable you are and how ready you are to jump in and help them as you promote your business and you promote the fact that you are there and you're ready to help. So that's the scoop. Jump in and use them. I think they're really cool. Customize them to your colors. Save them into your jiggles. And once you've saved them, bang, you can just jump in and get them out at any point. It's that easy. Dream big, take names, and I'll look forward to chatting with you on the next video. Cheers.